Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Your TV or monitor must support HDR10 or Dolby Vision and have up-to-date firmware. Once done, plug a certified HDMI 2, 0 or 2, 1 cable into the HDR-capable input on the display. On a PC, make sure you have the latest GPU drivers installed and the display set to its native resolution and refresh rate. This primes color pipelines so HDR signaling can be recognized and negotiated correctly. You now enable HDR in the device menus. On the TV, open Picture or Input Settings and set the connected HDMI port's HDR mode to Auto or On so it accepts HDR metadata. For Windows, go to Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display and toggle Use HDR and WCG, then calibrate if offered. On consoles, navigate to Display Options and enable HDR, following prompts to measure or set peak brightness. These steps let the source and display exchange metadata for correct tone mapping. You finish by validating HDR with known HDR content and observing a visible HDR badge or richer highlights and deeper blacks. If images look washed or wrong, make sure the HDMI color space and sampling are correct. Use RGB4 or YCbCr4 2 and set HDMI color range to full for PCs. Consoles may require YCbCr. If HDR still fails to engage, reboot devices, try another HDMI port or cable, and update firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.